Hi, welcome to the unboxing and the installation guide video of the all-new Windclaw spin bike by beatXP. Let us quickly move on to our next step. When you receive your box, start by removing the taping and the lid. Before we start our installation, we recommend laying out all the parts and checking them against the manual to make sure you are not missing any items. Step 1. Connect the front stabilizer tube and rear stabilizer tube into the frame. By using wrench, tighten the washer and the bolt. Take the R-marked paddle and rotate clockwise into the R-marked crank and repeat the same with L-marked paddle and rotate anti-clockwise into the L-marked crank. Step 3. Take out the handle support and fix it with the knob. Step 4. Place the handle on the handle support and fix it with the washer and nut. Step 5. Fix the mobile phone holder on the handlebar. Step 6. Insert 2 AAA battery in the back side of the monitor and then slide the monitor on the groove on the handle. Then connect the sensor wire and place the mobile holder over the handlebar. Step 7. Place the seat on the seat bar and fix the bolts with the wrench. And with this step, your beatXP Windclaw spin bike is ready to use.